Hi, I am Maria from Crochet Fashion and welcome back to my channel. In today's video tutorial you will see how to crochet easy to crochet cord with beads. For work I will use 2mm crochet hook, beads and a ball of yarn. Before the work I threaded beads onto the working yarn. Let's crochet the cord. I will begin from the chain. I pull it. It is going to be a knot. Then chain more. Then I'm going to work with beads. Before the work I threaded seed beads onto the working yarn. Draw 3 beads. Pull up the working loop till the level of the bead. Make a chain with bead. I'm done chain with bead. So you should pull up the working loop till the level of each bead. Pull up the working loop till the level of the bead. Make a chain with bead. Continue. Pull up the working loop. Make a chain with bead. I'm done 3 chains with bead. Turn the work like this. Make a chain. Pull up the working loop to the level of the strings. Yarn over the hook. Insert the hook around the threads. Pull up a loop. I'm done the first one. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the same stitch, pull up a loop 2. I hold 2 loops with my finger, so make 2 strings into each of next 2 stitches. In total it should be 6 of them. I'm done 2. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the next chain stitch, pull up a loop. 3, 4, yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the stitch, pull up a loop and make the last one. I hold all loops with my finger. I have done 6 strings. Then yarn over the hook. Then yarn over the hook, pull through all loops on the hook. Make a chain and pull it. My first segment is ready. Here what I have. Let's crochet one more segment. Make a chain. Draw 3 beads. So pull up a loop to the level of the bead. Make a chain with bead. Continue. Make a chain with bead. Pull up the working loop and make chain with bead. I turn the work like this. Make a chain more. Pull up the working loop to the level of the string. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the first stitch and pull up a loop 1 and 2. In total it should be 6 of them. 3, 4, yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop. 1, 2, so I have got 6 of them. Then yarn over, pull through all loops on the hook, make a chain. My second segment is ready. Here how they look like. Let's repeat one more time. Make a chain, draw 3 beads, pull up the working loop, make a chain 1, 2, and 3. I turn the work like this, pull up the working loop, yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the stitch, pull up a loop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Well done. Then yarn over, pull through all loops on the hook, make a chain and pull it. My third segment is ready, so you should repeat as many times as you need for your project. You can do 1 segment for earring or 2. It could be like a branch. Next time I will show you how to complete my cord. For this project you can use different color of beads or one color. So to secure the yarn by making a chain to complete your cord. And that's it, your project is ready. You can leave a long piece of yarn to sew stuff for the jewelry. Don't be afraid to experiment. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time. Bye.